Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Delicious and Lekker. I have for you a gluten-free recipe today. It's cream caramel cake. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll put for you a few gluten-free recipes in the description box. Let's start with the ingredients. First, the caramel. Sugar for caramelizing 100 gram, milk 400 milliliters, sugar 200 grams, 4 eggs, vanilla sugar 8 grams, milk powder 25 grams. The milk powder is optional, gives a better yellow color. Now the cake ingredients. Milk 100 milliliters, sunflower oil 100 milliliters, sugar 100 grams, gluten-free flour 200 grams, baking cocoa 30 grams, 3 eggs, vanilla sugar 8 grams, gluten-free baking powder 15 grams. We start now with caramelizing. Cook over medium heat until the sugar caramelizes. Cover the base of the cake form with the caramelized sugar. Now let's mix the ingredients for the caramel, starting with the milk and then the sugar. Vanilla sugar and then the eggs. We add the milk powder and we mix the mixture for about 3 minutes. Strain the mixture while pouring onto a cake form. We start now mixing the cake ingredients. We start with the milk and sunflower oil. The eggs. Sugar. The vanilla sugar and gluten-free baking powder. The gluten-free flour, and the baking cocoa. We stir the mixture for about 2 minutes. Stand the cake form in a tray and afterwards pour the cake mixture onto it. We add a hot water onto the tray. Turn on the oven, bottom heating with baking temperature 200 degrees. We put them on the bottom of the oven. Baking time 60 minutes. After baking, we let it cool down at room temperature and we put it in the refrigerator for 5 hours. After 5 hours, we stand the cake form in a tray of hot water for 10 minutes. Now we turn it upside down. And now you have a very delicious cream caramel cake. Just put it in the refrigerator for an hour before serving it. I hope you liked the video and see you next time with a new recipe. Bon appetit!